Let's get you back to that breaking news out of Clinton County. A news conference underway right now. Let's listen in.
He's succumbed to his injuries at the scene, and everything remains under investigation at this time. As far as the identity of the suspect goes, that's still in the process of being confirmed at this time. We will get that to you when we are able to do so.
Was he shot prior to you guys shooting?
I'm sorry?
Was he shot earlier?
There was shots fired earlier, yes. Gunfire was exchanged. That I can't confirm at this point in time.
Did you deliver a phone by robot to the suspect and then negotiate with him over that phone? If so, can you talk a little bit about his state of mind, what he was talking about?
So I can't confirm that either. I would have to check and confirm that, but I don't know.
Is he from the Ohio area? Do you know that? The suspect?
Again, we haven't been able to confirm his identity, so until we confirm his identity, it wouldn't be right for us to speak on behalf of that.
How long ago were the shots fired when you raised the...
Yeah, so at the point in which officers moved in using less than lethal tactics, and he raised the firearm toward law enforcement, that was around 3:42 this afternoon.
What was the time of death?
The time that the shots were fired was around 3:42 this afternoon.
Is he acting alone, or are you guys investigating anybody else?
At this time, again, the whole thing remains under investigation. We really can't go into details in regard to the portions of the investigation. Once the investigation is complete, or once we have more details in regard to that investigation, we will put out a media release with some more details on it for you all.
Is this someone who the FBI was previously investigating?
That's a question you have to ask the FBI.
So this is more about the motive. I understand the bomb squad may have been looking, examining his car. Was there anything found in that vehicle?
So that's still under investigation as well. The car was a white Crown Victoria. In regard to the vehicle and the stuff that's within that vehicle, it's being processed and investigated at this time.
What was his motive?
Again, that's under investigation in regard to what occurred today and everything that unfolded.
How was he able to get away from the FBI office all the way to 71?
So our troopers, we initiated contact with the suspect on 71 in Warren County near the rest area. Everything that transpired prior to that would be a question that I would have to direct you to the FBI for.
Did he say anything before he raised his gun, before the fatal shots were fired? Anything to officers, to agents, before this all happened?
That again would be under the investigation as well. That's not something I have information of right now.
Did multiple officers shoot him, or was it just one? Were they in a helicopter?
All right, we've been listening to a live update out of Clinton County tonight, where we have learned that law enforcement has killed the individual who tried to breach an FBI office there in Cincinnati early this morning, leading law enforcement on a chase. That chase ending with the shootout. The suspect deceased at 3:42 this evening. Very little details released about that individual or a possible motive. Our Olivia Eugenio is there on the scene. She will bring us an update on that tonight at 11. And you can follow along with breaking news anytime by downloading that 10 TV news app throughout the day.